PC here and had some artifact issues on the screen. Let's have a look. So the user did a new clean Windows installation, and they were having IRQ and also IRQL and also IRQL blue screen and page non-paged area. Yeah, that is usually related to between drivers and corruption in somewhere. It could be data, we are not sure. So let's repeat the problem and we'll go from there. Just check the cabling. Okay. Alright, let's have a look what kind of a system this is. So keyboard light has not come on. The mouse light has not come on. Highly unusual. Let's take this GPU out. We're looking to hear a beep at least. We still don't have a display. 16 gig DDR3, okay. Power off. Then it's time for CMOS reset. Okay, new power supply, try. Basically, I'm looking for a light on keyboard or a mouse, like a numlock. Let's program the BIOS. Let's see what will happen. So CPU does not even initialize, I believe. Let's wait a bit more. This is a 4th generation i7. It's 1.7. Let's go ahead and bring a different PC. So we're back to the PC, which had the issue of motherboard not working and the graphic card playing up. I've got here another computer, which will be used for spare parts. It's now got at the moment i7 4790K CPU. 4790 without the K. It's in a boot loop. Temperature is very cool. As I say, CPU is getting warm. That's the main thing. Okie doke, that's it for this video. I'll put the new GPU later on. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. That's if we can find the remote. There we go.